Get going, get the eggs. There's a lot of eggs out here.
Oh, this one feels heavy. This one broke.
Well, pick it up. It's still good, right?
What does it have in it? Chocolate?
Better get going, Doug. Your sister's getting all the
Just
eggs.
put it in, dude. You're going to have to open it anyway. You can pick up other ones. You're spilling coffee here.
Another one. I'm going quick so I can get lots of eggs.
So Morgan, you know, when you fill up yours, you'll have to time out so brother can fill up his.
I know. Because I'm quick at grabbing things.
You can pick up all sorts of ones, Becky. Anyone you see.
There.
See, there's a purple.
There's one right there. You missed it.
That one? Oh! Doug!
Morgan, you need to let him this.
Get going, bud. Your sister's kicking your tail.
Yeah, I'm so kicking your tail. You just grab ones and you fight.
Get them, bud. Get the eggs.
This is why you need to put the bag down.
Come on, hurry up.
Here's a way that we can make it fair. I will do this half, and you can do that half.
All right, go at it.